In a quiet village renowned for its ancient art, an unassuming medieval painting hangs in the local gallery, but few know the secret it holds. Deep within this masterpiece lies a hidden map revealing the location of a long-lost treasure waiting to be discovered. As Professor Henry Caldwell uncovers the hidden lines on the canvas, he feels a thrilling sense of urgency. Each stroke of the brush hints at secrets from the past, and the promise of adventure beckons him to explore the origins of this enigmatic treasure map. Driven by curiosity, Professor Caldwell meticulously studies old manuscripts that provide insights into the painting's creation. Legends speak of a hidden treasure buried deep within the woods, waiting for someone courageous enough to unveil its secrets. With preparations complete, Professor Caldwell sets out at dawn, driven by the thrill of discovery. The forest ahead holds countless secrets, its winding paths leading him closer to the treasure promised by the painting's hidden map. As he ventures deeper into the forest, each step becomes more treacherous, but the thrill of the chase fuels his determination. Suddenly, he stumbles upon a remarkable stone structure that matches the markings from the map, hinting at the treasure's concealed resting place. Standing before the enigmatic stone edifice, Professor Caldwell feels a rush of excitement and fear. Within its shadowed depths lies not only potential riches, but also the echoes of those who dared to uncover its mysteries long ago. With his heart pounding in his chest, Professor Caldwell ventures into the darkness where the faint glow reveals ancient artifacts that spark his imagination. In the corner, an ornately adorned chest captivates his attention, suggesting it could hold the secrets he has sought for so long. As he carefully examines the lock on the chest, a wave of exhilaration washes over him. The stillness of the cavern seems to pulse with anticipation, as if the echoes of history are urging him to unlock the secrets it guards.